and welcome to Cooking with Derek. I am Derek, cooking today. Today we'll be using the following special ingredients. Italian grated cheese for the authentic full flavour cheese. Some Rouse pure natural blossom honey, clear. A tea bag. Some Dairy Crest milk. Some Floor Original to help keep your heart healthy. And some Schwartz with ceramic grinder Brazilian black peppercorns. Now to start with, you take your margarine for a nice solid base, undo it like so. Take your spoon. This is a dessert spoon you take, and take a nice scoop of that. Pop it in the bowl. Pop it in the bowl. And then, add another spoonful. And then you take your honey. And you undo the honey and add a little bit of that. That should be enough. And you take your tea bag. You take your tea bag and pop it in. That's your tea bag in there. So now you got some margarine, you got some honey, and you got a tea bag. Then you take your authentic Italian cheese, and you take your authentic. You don't need the cheese. Now you take some pepper, and you sprinkle some nice pepper on, like so. Can you see that, folks at home? You sprinkle the pepper on, and you sprinkle it on, and you add a bit of pepper. Nice little bit of pepper. I like a bit of pepper. So you add some pepper, and you sprinkle the pepper on, so it's nice and peppery. And then you take your milk, nice little bit of milk there, see look, exactly that much, and pour it in. And finally, you take your hairspray, and you just add a nice little bit of that in. Ta-da! Looks delicious, doesn't it, folks? Getting hungry just looking at it. And now it's all finished, you stir it a bit. Lovely! And then you put them in the oven at the point of 200 degrees. And leave it to soak for 5 hours.